The US economy has been on a roller coaster ride, from record highs to growing fears of a recession. But through all of this, one thing remains the same. The rich keep getting richer while the middle class struggles. Why is this happening? And what does it mean for the future of America? Let's break it down. Over the past few decades, the wealth gap in the US has skyrocketed. The top 1% now control more wealth than the bottom 90% combined. But why? The answer isn't as simple as hard work or smart investing. It's deeply rooted in the system itself. Meanwhile, the average American is dealing with rising costs, stagnant wages, and a shrinking middle class. So, how did we get here? The truth is, the economic system is designed in a way that benefits the already wealthy. Here's how. 1. Stock market boom. While wages have barely increased, the stock market has soared, but 89% of stocks are owned by the richest 10%. So when the market goes up, they profit the most. 2. Tax loopholes and shelters. The ultra-rich and big corporations use tax loopholes to pay little to no taxes. In some cases, billionaires pay a lower tax rate than their secretaries. 3. Real estate and assets. As home prices rise, the wealthy accumulate more assets. While the middle class struggles to afford rent or buy homes, assets grow, wages don't. Inflation is another key player in this crisis. When prices go up, who wins? The wealthy, because they own businesses and assets that adjust for inflation. Meanwhile, workers struggle as their paychecks don't stretch as far. Rents, groceries, healthcare, education, everything is getting more expensive. But the minimum wage? Still stuck at $7.25. Federally, the Federal Reserve, which controls interest rates and money supply, has played a major role in shaping the economy. In 2020, they pumped trillions into the financial markets, boosting stocks and real estate. But when inflation hit, they started raising interest rates, making loans, mortgages, and business expansion more expensive. While everyday people struggle with high interest rates on mortgages and credit cards, big corporations and the wealthy adapt, finding ways to profit. Remember the American dream: work hard, buy a home, build wealth. For many, that dream is slipping away. Home ownership is at record lows for young people. Wages aren't keeping up with productivity. Debt, student loans, credit cards, mortgages is crushing millions. But at the same time, billionaires have doubled their wealth since 2020. The system works, just not for everyone. So, is there a way to fix this? Possible solutions include: 1. Tax reform, closing loopholes that allow billionaires to avoid taxes. 2. Higher minimum wage and stronger worker protections. 3. Affordable housing initiatives to prevent corporations from buying up all the homes. 4. Debt relief for student loans and medical bills. Some argue these changes would hurt the economy, but who really gets hurt? Those who already have the most? America is at an economic crossroads. Will we continue down the path of extreme wealth inequality? Or can we build an economy that works for everyone, not just the top 1%? What do you think? Let us know in the comments. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the biggest economic issues of our time. Thanks for watching.